Hey! Hey guys, so today the R35 GTR is getting picked up because we're going to the ice track tomorrow. That's why it's got spikes on already. We're basically having a little video shoot tomorrow with Monster Energy. Hey guys, so I don't know if you can see it, but it's 5 a.m. right now, so pretty early for me. I'm on my way to the ice track now. I'm gonna pick up Fuzi, my friend, or Turbo Turk, as some of you may know him. And then yeah, we got a pretty, it's not that long, but like 2 more hours to go, and then we're there. And I hope that we start pretty soon because I'm quite excited, to be honest. So I see you guys there. Peace out.
Hallo!
Was soll man tun?
Oh, fix.
Ei.
Was ist das Schönes?
Ei.
Oh, das ist sexy oder früher.
So nett. So my car is already here. It's been here since yesterday. Yeah, let's start it up. So the full team has arrived now. I think there's no doubt which car is going to be faster today. The ready car looks really aggressive. Yeah, maybe he will take me for a spin later. But yeah, we're just setting everything up and then we're going to do the first few turns and I'm going to take you with me. Yeah. So right now I'm just looking at the track, but it looks really slippery today because it's melting a bit and then overnight it's freezing again, which is, well, not bad because I have spikes, but still. Yeah, there's a few bumps in it. The GTR might be too low for some parts of the track, but I think all in all it's going to be pretty cool today. So needless to say, they have some extreme preparations in comparison to us. We just came with our car. I have basically my winter daily driver here, so it's quite a big difference. But we're just here to have fun, so who cares? So Reini is taking me for a spin. Ist das so geht, oder? Wirklich absurd.
Nein, kann ich nicht umgefährt.
Ich hab schon gerade gedacht.
Nein.
Jetzt bin ich wenigstens wach. Das Geil, ist schon richtig crazy. Ah, danke, Mann. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, Schaefchen, do you hear me?
Yes. Oh. Yes. Are you ready?
Yeah,
Perfect.
let's go.
R35 GTR. Let's go one more lap.
Die Drohne zusammengefahren. Oh, was it laying there?
Yeah.
Yeah, so the idea is that I drink this whilst doing a donut. I tell you, after this shoot, I won't sleep for 4 days by the amount of Monster I have consumed. Just to explain what happened, I bought him out on a chunk and it ripped my complete rear bumper off. So too much scent today.
Great.
I just managed to stall an automatic car. Don't ask me how this happens. I don't know either. So yeah, we're filming some explosions now. Everybody's favorite. Yeah, kind of excited. And I have a new toy as well. Very good, very nice. Oi, 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 oi. Greifen wir rein.
Aber geht.
Yeah, I don't know what they're planning. Also das ist die schlechteste Machete überhaupt. Erste, glaube ich, Spinn. Ready for some night action with some flames now and some pretty funky lights. Oh fuck. Looks like a, what is it called? Night vision camera.
Baltimore, I'ma kill it. I buy a morgan the minute. The public house, the plastic couch of a section 8 tenant. The rear window is tinted. The air conditioner broke, but I'm cool.
So we are on our way back home now. Yeah, pretty eventful day, so to say. But we had a lot of fun, and yeah, I have to say I'm pretty tired, despite drinking Monster Energy every 2 seconds. So I'll be happy to be back home in my bed now. So see you guys in the next video.
Ciao. Ciao.